This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening VN and creating a new project with the correct aspect ratio. You already imported your video clips. Next, import the SRT. Go to Import, choose Subtitles, then Load. SRT file. You do this now because VN aligns timing to the current timeline. Once loaded, scrub through the timeline to confirm cues land where spoken lines begin. Make sure file name encoding is UTF-8 so special characters display correctly. If not, resave the SRT in a text editor. Once the SRT is in, focus on timing and style. You should nudge start and end frames when speech overlaps with cuts. Select a subtitle track and trim like any clip. Then style the text. Pick a readable font, set size and contrast, add a subtle background with 40% opacity, and choose a safe bottom position. For consistency, batch edit multiple subtitles or copy style to others. Finally, play at half speed to verify readability and sync before exporting. Finish by choosing how you want subtitles delivered: burn-in, hard-coded, or embedded sidecar. SRT. Export your final video at 1080p H. 264 for broad compatibility, or use export subtitles to save a clean SRT with updated timestamps. Once done, test the file in a player that supports sidecars. If characters appear as gibberish, that indicates an encoding issue. Resave the SRT as UTF-8 or reopen and correct timestamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.